I got the speaker that I ran. I will put the red wire to the white and gray, the red and black. I'll connect it to white, black, and gray, black, which is the negative side, and ran the remote to the remote wire on here. I will say remote. And then you got the ground set up with the ground of the blue. The blue is the ground, the blue or black, and the red is out. Now this thing is a little bit small to fit in the 4 gauge, but I still managed to make it work. I managed not to have this copper right here sticking out and touching the remote or ground. So, and then I ran the jack to the input of the amp. So everybody got different kind of amp, so it's a little bit different. As long as you read positive, negative, and ground, you got it going. So I hook up the wire right there. I'm gonna cut it later after I put the speaker in. Now for the fuse holder, I want to make sure that you're using all the fuse holder are a little bit different, so I cannot explain too much about that. You want to make sure that this rubber piece is not completely inside, but at least like a 1/16 inch. That way there's no copper sticking out and short something out. And I usually use about 80 to 100 amps for hook up almost any amp. Some of them could be 60, but a lot of them are 80 to 100. And then what you would do right here, you would try to, let me see what's best. You probably want to put it right here. This is a 10 millimeter. You take 10 millimeter out and stick it in here and then tighten it back. Or take this one right there, that's 1/2 inch, and stick it in there. That will